हेलो, वी ऑल नो कि एक्सरसाइजेस के बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. हमें पता है कि एक्सरसाइज करने से वेट गेन नहीं होता है, डायबिटीज़ कंट्रोल में रहता है, हार्ट में कोई इश्यूज नहीं आते हैं. वी ऑल नो दैट. बट वी हैव नेवर थॉट कि हाउ मिनिमम एक्सरसाइज ऑफ 20 to 30 minutes एवरी डे is important for our brain health. अब ये 20 to 30 minutes of exercise we are not telling you you should do because you are fat, or you should do because you have belly fat, or for your this and that, or for your appearance. We are not saying that, but you should do 20 to 30 minutes of exercise only and only, at least for your mental peace, for your sanity of your brain. And how it affects is, now there are researches which are being done in the University of Duke, which has proven that how exercise can even cure depression. Hi, this is Monica here from Diet Point, and today let's list out exercise and brain health benefits. Keeping aside कि physical benefits तो हमको पता ही है उसके क्या होते हैं, right? So positive effects क्या होते हैं? When we are exercising, there is lot of oxygen saturation, and there is lot of blood vessel growth. Now when this happens in your certain areas of the brain, not the entire brain but certain areas of the brain, you think better, you have a rational thinking approach towards your life. Also coming to, we have so many neurons and so many stimulations happening every single day. मतलब brain हमारी body से communicate कर रहा है, body हमारी brain से communicate कर रही है. That all happens due to the stimulations, this synapses. Now when these synapses and neurons would function better is, better नहीं, up till 90% is because of exercise. Now पहले हमारे grandfathers, हमारे forefathers, they had at least 5 to 6 kilometers of walk every day. और आज का क्या time है कि even a kid, a small kid is having at least screen time of 5 hours. घर पे टीवी है, मोबाइल है, प्लस स्कूल में भी यू हैव लॉट ऑफ स्क्रीन. सो देर इज मिनिमल मूवमेंट. और जो मैंने कहा कि ये सिनेप्सिस है, जो न्यूरॉन एक्टिविटी है, दैट विल बी इम्प्रूव्ड ओनली विथ मूवमेंट. तो अगर 5 आवर्स का आपका मिनिमम स्क्रीन टाइम है तो देर इज नो मूवमेंट, एंड दैट इज वन स्ट्रॉन्ग रीजन फॉर यू टू हैव किड्स टू हैव ओबेसिटी as well as depression, anxiety. They are not able to handle things very easily. So there are chemicals like GABA, there is glutamate. These are neurotransmitters. Okay, they decide how your mood would be in certain activity. For example, अब मैं कुछ maths का activity नहीं कर पा रही, how would I react to that is decided by these chemicals, and these chemicals would be released only when you have minimum exercise 20 to 30 minutes in a day. ये बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वेट लॉस, बट आई एम टॉकिंग हियर अबाउट मेंटल पीस, मेंटल हेल्थ, राइट? सो देर इज सेकेंड थिंग लाइक सेरोटोनिन, विच वुड ऑल्सो इन्फ्लुएंस कि आप कैसे रिएक्ट करोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप ट्रैफिक में फंसे हुए, देर इज लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक अराउंड. सो हियर हाउ यू रिएक्ट टू द ट्रैफिक, योर एंगर, योर मूड, योर एग्रेसिवनेस, एवरीथिंग इज डिसाइडेड बाय सेरोटोनिन. ठीक है? सो इफ यू डू 20-30 minutes of exercise every single day, it actually changes your entire personality. फिर से थर्ड ऐसा ही एक कुछ है जिसे हम कहते हैं नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन. नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन will also help you in attention, in gaining perception, in focusing. Okay, so this is something which you require for important meetings, for studying. ऐसा ही है डोपामिन भी आपने सुना होगा. It gives you a lot of satisfaction. So BDNF is also one more, you can call it as a fertilizer for your brain. All these neurotransmitters are chemicals in the brain and are increased when you exercise for at least 20 minutes a day. So we are not talking about here about physical health, that we know कि physical health तो improve होती ही है. But if you want to have a better sleep pattern, if you want to, I would not say lose weight, but if you want to maintain your weight, समझिए आप obese हैं, but still it's okay for you to be obese. आपको लगता है कि there is no problem. But if you want to maintain your 80 kgs of weight or 85 kgs of weight and not let it increase, तो minimum 20-30 minutes of exercise. It could be walk, it could be treadmill, it could be swimming, it could be playing with kids where you are running a bit. That is more than enough. And for people who want to lose weight, अगर आप, there are many females who would come to us and say कि we don't want to exercise. 20 मिनट्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइज इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू वेट लॉस, लेकिन आपका हार्ट रेट इंप्रूव होता है. कभी कभार होता है हाउ मच एवर डाइट यू वांट टू फॉलो, ओके, 100, 200, 300 कैलोरीज एक्स्ट्रा ऊपर नीचे हो ही जाता है. दैट वुड बी टेकन केयर ऑफ दिस बाय दिस 20 मिनट्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. सो डू नॉट treat your 20-30 minutes of exercise as a burden. Take it as a commitment. Take it as a meditation. It is a kind of meditation if you do it every day, and it takes care of your, forget about physical health, हमने बहुत सुन लिया, but it also takes care of your mental health, and you would not feel the, you will see the feeling of sadness going away, the feeling of anxiety going away. There are a lot of people who are not able to sit and meditate. Take your exercise as a part of your meditation. I'm sure it is going to help you. Do take a look at our website, which is dietpoint.co.in. Do start exercising 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Follow it at least for 20 minutes every single day. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to our channel.